Alright, another day, another ride. Yay! I think today is going to be pretty good as well. So let's get going. I just left the campsite. I'm just outside Merano City, and we are headed for the Resia Lake, Lake Resia, or something like that. It's where you can see just the church tower sticking up from the lake. It was all flooded in the 50s, I think, because they were building some hydropower plant. I believe that was it. I'm sure there's information when we get there. Don't take my word for it. And as the other days, I'm going to aim for a charger first and see if I can get breakfast while the bike is charging. And then we continue. I arrived at the camp, not very late, but late enough last night, so it was full. But they managed to squeeze in one extra tent, so that was lucky.
Right, so it turns out that the charger was inside a very cozy little town. I think the name was Cilandro, something similar at least. So I've been walking around a bit and got myself some pastries and then an iced tea and good start of the day. Almost ready to continue. Well, I need to eat first, but the bike is almost ready. So, yeah.
So I took off from the main road and to do a more scenic and should I say quiet route, less traffic. So it looks nice. This road is called Panorama Road, and I can see why. This is well worth a detour. So if you're going to the Resia Lake, don't take the main road, go up here. It's the road Motorcycle Diaries. It was just called I don't remember the name of the cities anymore. Something about Tarnas and Slugan. Yeah, you'll see it if you look in the area. I had a look at the tower. It was pretty cool, standing there on its own in the lake. I think I forgot to film, but I have pictures. I put in a picture. So now I'm going to be a real tourist and go where everybody else is going. The Stelvio Pass. So I'm guessing this is the dam they built that flooded the village. So yeah, I was right, it was hydropower. We can ride over it. So it's pretty cool. I think I can take a left on the other side to get back. in the middle of a small little village. There was a DC charger. I'm at 60%, so I don't really need it, but I'm taking a short rest and let it charge for a while. We have started the climb. I did plot in a detour down to Bormio as well, but I'm not sure I'm going to actually take it. Just to, since my bike is Bormio ice colored, I figured I should visit Bormio. But it's not really on the way to where I'm going, so I may skip it or leave it for another day. I'm not quite sure about the route. We are getting above the trees and still goes up and up. And these bikers are struggling. It's not an easy task on a bicycle up here. It's not like it's a few hundred meters up. It's like kilometers after kilometer going up. Some road work. Lots of bikers up here. I mean, like normal bikers, not motorcyclists. Although lots of them as well. Right, so that was the Umbrail Pass. I guess I think I had that planned for tomorrow actually, but I went the opposite way of what I originally planned now to get up here, so let's see. Yeah, I'm going to I'm skipping Bormio, so I'm going straight to the pass. Yeah, this was a busy place. All right. Nice. This is super nice, but so much traffic. I am now just heading for a camp, hopefully. At least I'm aiming for a camp, and I hope there's room there. So, yeah, a bit shorter day today than yesterday. But I'm quite satisfied with the day. So, yeah, that was it for this video. So, see you next time.
Alright, so let's have a quick look at the map for today. So as you can see, I did kind of a loop here. So I started in just outside Merano, then I rode up to the Resia Lake up here to see the tower in the lake, and then back down pretty much the same way. Then I crossed over here into Switzerland, did the Umbrail Pass, and then that connected to Stelvio Pass back into Italy, and yeah, down the Stelvio Pass, and found a camp in a little town right close to the pass. Really nice day. Next time I have more passes on the list, so see you then.